In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do demo trading on Binance, a beginner's guide to Binance demo trading. Whether you're just getting started in trading or want to hone your skills without the risk, Binance demo trading is a fantastic way to experience the world of futures trading. So let's dive into the process and explore how you can start demo trading on Binance futures. First things first, you'll need to open the Binance app and log in. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as this is an essential step to accessing all the features that Binance offers. Once you're logged in, your next destination is the futures section. Within the app's interface, you'll find various categories, and futures should be among the prominently displayed options. Go ahead and tap on it to proceed. Now let's draw our attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you will notice three small dots. Tapping on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. What we're looking for here is the mock trading option, a crucial feature for demo trading. Click on mock trading and you'll enter a risk-free zone where you can trade using virtual funds. Once you're in the mock trading mode, you can trade just like you would in real futures trading. This means you have the freedom to place long or short trades, utilize leverage according to your trading strategies, and experiment with different market conditions without any actual financial risk. This setup is immensely valuable for testing strategies before taking them live in the real market. It provides an environment where mistakes won't cost you, which is perfect for learning. To see how your demo trades are performing, navigate to the positions and order history tabs. Here, you can track your trade's outcomes and make adjustments as necessary. Analyzing the results is integral as it provides insights into what's working and what might need re-evaluation or modification. This hands-on experience prepares you for the nuances of real futures trading. It's important to note that this demo trading functionality is only available in the Binance Futures section, not in the spot trading section. Additionally, if you do not see the option for mock trading in your app, it might be necessary to enable it through the official Binance website. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to starting demo trading on Binance. Remember, using this feature is a smart way to gain confidence and develop your trading abilities without the pressure of financial loss. Practice makes perfect, and demo trading offers a safe space to solidify your skills. Happy trading, and until next time, continue refining and testing those strategies.